Oldest trick in the book. As long as that's said, then
When it's legit.
yeah. That's like our stamp now. Wow, I got to witness something there. That was fucking awesome.
I just gotta get this dumbass crane.
Well, I took this guy's gun and all these mags, so I got an extra AK-74 here. I've got two of them. I've got a full one and a U.
Someone's running by me or something. I was taking a dip. Did you hear those footsteps?
Oh yeah, two geared guys.
Oh, they're there. There they are.
Probably trying to find me.
Which way they go? Are they continuing north?
Got one. I got one. Watch the middle.
The middle or this
Yeah,
end?
come out here. Come out here. Come out here. Run north. Run north on the tracks and get behind this guy. No, on the tracks. I'll keep him busy. Alright. I'm running outside on the road. Oh, fuck, I got them both. I got
Did
them
you?
both.
Nice, nice, nice. That's a stream highlight right there then.
Oh, you did. I'll be darned. Okay.